Brina, what are you doing under there? You're having a bath, huh? What do you think, Douglas? What is that under the table? It's a little goat. Hi, Brina. What are you doing, silly? What are you doing? Hi, sweetie. You want to see Doug? Oh, Doug, she wants to see you. What is that? That's my camera. Is it good to eat? Oh, you love that pug? Yeah. Oh, you're going to play. Careful. There you go. You silly. Silly girl. You silly? Yeah, you silly little girl. Yeah, you're just a silly little girl.